Volkswagen Polo 2017 diesel 1,422 cubic centimeters. Rear brake shoe setup. The brake you set up can be seen as shown above, including wheel cylinder breaker adjuster and spring locations. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and remember it's free to subscribe.